Hey foodie friends! Today I'm going to show y'all how to make a simple but absolutely delicious French toast that looks fancy without doing the most. First thing, let's prep our fruit. I'm using fresh strawberries and blueberries, but honestly, use what fruit you already have in the fridge. I'm not judging over here. Now for the egg wash, add your eggs, a capful of vanilla extract, and about a tablespoon of cinnamon. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and smells like somebody's about to throw down. Next, we're going to grab a skillet and over medium heat, we're going to melt about 2 tablespoons of butter until it starts sizzling. That buttery golden crust is what's going to take this French toast to the next level. Now dip your bread in the egg mixture and let each side fry for about 2 minutes or until golden brown. And trust me, a slightly stale, thick sliced bread works best because it soaks up all that flavor without falling apart. Lastly, top it off with your fruit, whipped cream, and a little powdered sugar for the final touch. And just like that, you've got a breakfast that looks brunch worthy without the brunch prices. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and follow me for more simple recipes that make you look like you actually have your life together.